Hi everybody from Hog Haven Family Farms. Today is a little different. My dad's not going to be in this video. Me and my sister brought some bales out to the cows. We got 5 of them here. We drove out over here the truck, me and my sister, and we're just gonna give it to the cows now. She'll take over the camera now, and she'll film me going back up to the house.
Yeah, just where are you gonna put the string?
Just in the back.
Alright. So yeah, here's all the bulls. The other cows are at the farm. One of them is our friend's, the black one right there. Yeah, he's just gonna keep on throwing the rest of these bales. Let's see how many more we got. 2 more.